Business plan will help you and map out how much your budget is for spending for a truck. It can go up brand new to 275,000. But writing that business plan will allow you to assess where your finances are and what range you need to probably stay in, as well as what type of truck you need. Um, Also, too, when you start to talk about determining the budget, you don't want to go out and get a brand new truck and you haven't secured enough work to suffice that overhead. Overhead will kill your business. I don't care who it is. If you have a $275,000 truck that's 3,500 to 4,000 a month, but your jobs are inconsistent and iffy, you're probably going to sink very fast. New versus used trucks. I won't go too much into this. I'll say this right now. I feel the gems are the older trucks. Yeah, the maintenance is a little bit more. With brand new, you may, the maintenance may be minimal when you're brand new, but you still have high overhead. We have nationwide roadside service that can make you feel safe in the sense if anything happens on the road, if you're out there, you have a flat tire, they will come and bring the tire to you. If they can do them while you're on the side of the road, they will handle as well.